Hello everyone, this is Pritesh Kumar Singh. I am pursuing my master's in NITK Surathkal from Computational Data Science, and I am also interning at Dell Technologies. Today I am here to give a review about the CDS course of NITK Surathkal. In my batchmate, 34 students took admission in MTech through CCMT and 4 took admission in MTech Research. Every branch is eligible for this course, and if you have written GATE paper in these disciplines, then you can apply for this course. Coming to the course curriculum, we have some basic computer science subjects in our first semester, like data structure and algorithms, which is the most important subject for placements and internship. Then we have scalable system, which focuses on parallel programming, and some of the operating system concepts were covered here. Further, we have data science, where we covered a lot of linear algebra. Then DBMS is also an important subject from placement's point of view, and it was an elective in our first semester. Coming to second semester, we had subjects like machine learning and big data analytics, where we did some projects and we can add those projects in our resume, and it is really useful during the placements. But for internship interview, we need to do some projects in our first semester itself so that we can add it in our resume. Coming to the prerequisites of this course, so basically, you should have a command over one of the programming languages and you should be comfortable with maths. And I've actually taken a session 1 month back on the roadmap to non-code placements. I talked a lot about the resources where one can start learning basics of C, C++, and then move on to DSA, and how one can do some projects that they can add in their resume. So please check out that video. I have attached the link in the description. Also, often students ask this question that can a non-CS student cope up with the course here, or can they compete with the CS students during placements? So let me tell you that in my batch, 90% of the students are from a core background itself, and yet all of us have maintained a CGPA of 7 plus. That means we are eligible for all the companies during placements. In fact, majority of us have 8 plus CGPA. So maintaining a CGPA in this course is not difficult. And when it comes to internships or placements, so this year out of 12 students who have got internship, 11 are from BTech branches like mechanical, civil, or electrical. So to sum up, it does not matter what is your BTech branches, but you should be strong in your coding skills. Coming to the internship opportunities, basically the companies start coming from August onwards for placement and internship, but we are only eligible for internships from February onwards, that is in second semester. So we got opportunities in these many companies, and in some of the companies we were not able to clear the written round or the interview, but ultimately we cracked some of the companies like Samsung, Dell, and Determinant Studios. So out of these companies, I think IBM and Legato Healthcare came for machine learning profile. Rest were for software developer profile only. And if you have more doubt about the company's stipend or profile, you can ping me on LinkedIn. The link is in the description. And the entire second year for MTech students is dedicated to the internship. We have to basically we can submit the internship work as a thesis, and in case some students do not get internship on campus or off campus, they can always do a project under the guide in college. So coming to the placement, it has been very good even in the pandemic with 20 out of 24 seniors getting placed on campus, and 3 got off campus placement. The average CTC is around 13 to 14 LPA, with the maximum has gone up to 25 LPA, and the minimum is approximately 8 LPA. Some of the companies which seniors got placed into are IBM, Dell, Intel, Qualcomm, and all those companies. But we are actually eligible for a lot more companies than these, like Amazon or Morgan Stanley, Flipkart. Basically, all the companies where MTech CS students are eligible, we are also eligible for those companies. But ultimately, it all depends on your coding skills. Coming to the fee structure, it is almost 1,80,000 during the online class for 2 years. But in case the college reopens, we can add 30,000 per semester more as hostel fees. The career opportunities are just great here. Majority of the companies come for STE profile with great packages. Other profiles like machine learning, data scientist, data analytics, and consultant are also great. Basically, career growth in all these profiles are really good. That's it from my side. I hope the video was useful. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and join our Telegram group also, so that you can get post-gate guidance related information. Do check out our website also before taking admission. It has over 300 course reviews. Thank you.